Managing PDF files might seem simple until your folders start filling up with duplicates, long file names, and random downloads you can't even remember saving. So in today's video, we're breaking down the best PDF file management tips for 2025. These are practical, easy to follow habits that will help you stay organized, save time, and keep your documents easy to find whenever you need them. Let's start with one of the biggest game changers, consistent naming conventions. This means creating a simple system for naming your PDFs so they're instantly recognizable. For example, something like project name underscore type underscore date or invoice underscore client underscore month. Clear file names make searching 10 times easier, especially if you handle a lot of documents for work, school, or business. The goal is to avoid vague names like document1.pdf or final.pdf. Having a naming strategy helps you stay organized automatically. Next, use folders and subfolders wisely. Instead of dumping everything into your downloads folder, create a structure that matches your workflow. For example, work, personal, school, clients, receipts, or tax documents. Inside each folder, you can break things down even further by month, year, or type of task. The idea is to create a system that's easy to maintain, not one that's too complicated to follow. Another important tip: take advantage of tags and labels. Many systems today, like Windows, macOS, Google Drive, and OneDrive, let you tag documents so you can group them without moving them into different folders. Tags help you find files by theme, priority, or category, especially when a document fits multiple purposes. For example, a single PDF might be both finance and 2025 tax. So tagging makes it easier to pull up everything related instantly. Now, let's talk about file compression and optimization. Large PDF files can slow down your device, eat up storage, and take forever to upload or share. Tools today can shrink your PDF size without hurting the quality, making your workflow smoother. This is especially helpful for email attachments, online submissions, or when sending files to clients. Just make it a habit to optimize big PDFs before storing them. Next up, regular cleanup. At least once a month, go through your folders and delete duplicates, trash unused PDFs, and archive old files. Archiving means moving older documents into a separate folder or storage location so your main workspace stays clutter-free. Keeping your active folders clean improves productivity and lowers stress. Another underrated tip: secure your sensitive PDFs. If you're storing contracts, IDs, receipts, or confidential documents, make sure they're password protected or encrypted. This adds an extra layer of security and keeps your data safe whether you're working on your device or in the cloud. You can also store sensitive files in a private folder or drive to reduce risks. And finally, use cloud backups. Always keep at least one backup copy of important PDFs, either on Google Drive, iCloud, OneDrive, or an external drive. This protects you from losing files due to accidental deletion, device problems, or corrupted storage. Cloud storage also makes your PDFs accessible from anywhere, which is great when you're switching between devices. And that's it for our PDF file management tips for 2025. With a few simple habits, you can keep your documents organized, secure, and easy to find. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching.